We took them on a walk. Gabby, slow down. You're wearing Ruffy out.
Happy Wednesday to everyone and good morning. So today is Wednesday. Malapit na naman Friday. I woke up very early because it's very noisy outside. That's the problem of not having a gate. Kasi those people who are working in the other house can disturb you. We're still waiting for our gate. Kuya is still working with it. But hopefully they can start building in 2 weeks para we will have gate na and we have privacy na. Anyways guys, there's a typhoon coming, or nandito na ba? I think it's already here and it's hitting Manila. Hopefully all the people there are safe. We're not affected here in Davao. It's very sunny here and that's why I'm still here in the room even though I'm already awake. But we're praying for the safety sa lahat ng mga taong apektado sa bagyo. Let's just pray guys for the safety of the others. If you want to decide to live here in the Philippines, expect so many typhoons because in 1 year, I think there will be more than 5 typhoons that will come and hit our country. So even though you don't want to experience those typhoons, it will just happen. It will just come and yeah, you don't have a choice. I'm gonna lay down a bit. Because later today I'm gonna clean our room and fix our living room because I'm gonna change the carpet. So yeah, and I'm gonna see you later. Gotta change the carpet. Oy. So this is what our new carpet looks like. Sarap niyang tapakan. Kasi mas nice tapakan to, kani or katong isa? Feel nga. Lambot, no? Yeah. And these are the new placemats I bought yesterday. This was only 29 pesos each at SM, Ecoline.
Okay guys, so my mentor just got watching Vice Ganda, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finally reply to some comments. It's long overdue, and now they're gonna start singing.
If it's very cold and windy in Manila because they have a typhoon right now, it is very hot here in Davao. My pets are actually panting so much. And they like to stay here in our room. That's why I'm kind of concerned and worried about our electric bill because we can't live without the air conditioner. That's the number one problem that we have here in our house. It's very hot. Right now, we're planning on getting Ruffy kasi nagpapagwapo si Ruffy ngayon. He's having a haircut. I can't find my sunglasses. My dear, have you seen my sunglasses, my dear?
Yeah.
Where?
Right here.
Saan?
Right here.
Tada! Panangga sa init. Oh. Okay, we're ready to get Ruffy na. Toby, mainit. Init, Tobs. Mainit, Tobs, no? Cutie pie. 24 hours na?
Ruffy, you're so clean. He had tangled hair back there, so they shaved it. But look at his face.
Okay lang. Usay, bitaw, gusto mo ko ka ng ipo, dito ba ka talaga yung magkuha niyang buho, o dali naman buho.
He's hiding.
Pwede pa ka na siya pa. Walang guys, wala.
He's so calm, he's so happy right now. Smells so good. And Ruffy is so calm right now. He looks completely different with that haircut.
Here, you have I have that to my ear.
He looks completely different with that haircut. Ruffy!
My dear, wait ha.
Yeah, Ruffy boy. Nice. He's so calm right now, he's not even jumping around. Did they give him some medicine or something? How come he's so calm? He's usually so rowdy. Oh, did they give him a vaccine, Mantoy? How come he's so like that then? He's nice. Maybe he just feels so guapo right now that he's not rowdy. Yeah, like I said, they had to cut that hair in the middle really short because it was so tangled. We have to get him groomed regularly. Yeah. And these are the plants that Mama and Papa planted. Now, they didn't have any flowers before, but I think they're starting to bloom. Just watering it some a little bit here. I don't really know how much water to give them, but I'll just give some. They put them in these black bags so that they don't grow too much. Well, there's a flower that's coming out. Just gotta water. Gabby, hold on. Hold on. It's not time for that. We're walking.
Wait, Harry. Hey, don't say that.
Hold on, wait.
My dear, right?
Gabby!
Chris!
Gabby! These two lovebirds. They're both males, but they're lovebirds. It's hard for Gabby to resist Ruffy's new haircut. I guess Ruffy smells even good to Gabby. Yeah. And these are some happy dogs. Especially Gabby. We took them on a walk. Gabby, slow down. You're wearing Ruffy out.
Yeah.
And this is Gabby's
Oh my God,
most
Gabby,
exciting
you
part.
make Ruffy's pregnant.
Gabby, be easy on him. Come on, he's your brother.
No scandal. Sex video.
And while we were walking the dogs, Mantoy went and fetched everybody some pizza. Does it look like good pizza or no?
Ha?
What kind of pizza does that look like to you? I hope it's good.
Aman. Si Ayan, ako Pancho.
Mantoy,
Mati Pancho.
give your honest review. Yay or nay?
6 out of 10.
Pizza ching. Wait, ang gabi.
Gago para pa ito, kwan ba, patatas sa carrots ba? Kaya hiwaon nila akong karne, yun na ako ito, naguli na ako.
It tastes more like pizza bread, not pizza. And Jake looks so guapa guapo, not guapa. He looks so guapo today. Look, his haircut is so nice.
Look at this.
Very nice, Jake.
More.
You look good with that.
Selfie.
Maybe that viewer that was talking about my haircut being good, maybe she meant Jake. Sometimes there's typos. Not really sure. Yeah. He looks nice.
Eye bags. Straight foot.
Looks like his dad. Yeah. Looks like his dad. Okay guys, so just to give you kind of an idea, I've been commenting for maybe, how long has it been, my dear? Maybe 2 to 3 hours? At least 2 hours, right?
Yeah.
Because it's 7:25 right now and I started maybe 4:30 or 5:30 at the latest, so it's at least been 2 hours. Takes a long time to comment, but it's impossible for us to comment every single day, just because we have so much activity going, and it's just not happening. But what we're probably doing, especially me, since Femo's the one that's driving and I have more time and less stress, is just in bulk. Whenever we have a spare day like today, just reply to all the comments that we miss, or at least most of them. That's our plan, or at least that's my plan. So I hope that's okay, because that's all we can really do right now. Yeah, Fema's been vlogging lately. I'm surprised. Yeah, today's a nice calm day. Jake is playing with his toys. One of his favorite things is to play with cars. And Lottie is eating like always.
Si Jun like yan makpan kabalo mo siyang loto.
He's hungry.
Sa sudana.
Sa sudana ato.
Pagbutan mo talong ba nga mo ginagbay bitaw nga. Si Chingching kabalo ba na binto po si Chingching ha. Binto ro si Chingching.
Talong nga gibutangan ako og.
Amo si Chingching ba to ikaw basta na.
Wala kay kada luto bin ako.
Si Chingching na iging binto.
Daghan, chika. Daghan.
Sa akin kumal. Kung sudana na sa kuama.
And this is our food for today. This is our dinner. Good choice, man. It is some good food. I like.
You're always say good.
Ako ba kang sinigang?
I eat a lot of meat.
Sinigang? Mapalit kag pork yung
Sinigang. Sinigang is one of the best soups ever. So if you're at a restaurant and they have sinigang,
the best sinigang.
I highly suggest.
The best. Hi guys. We're all glad to know that wala nang bagyo kasi lumagpas na yung bagyo sa Pilipinas. I mean, umalis na. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next
video. Sometime in 2015, maybe July, they're going to have a vaccine that's available to the public. Now, it's not 100% proof, but maybe 50 to 88% proof, depending on how many doses there are.